Looking for the best lawn edgers? In this video, we've picked the top lawn edgers for creating clean, sharp edges along driveways, walkways, and garden beds. These reliable tools deliver precision, power, and easy handling to keep your lawn looking perfectly maintained. Starting at number 1. Worx Cordless String Lawn Edger. The Worx battery-powered trimmer and edger is a versatile tool designed for efficient lawn care. Featuring a sleek black and orange design and weighing just 5.52 pounds. With a cutting width of 12 inches, this 2-in-1 device allows users to easily switch between edging and trimming in seconds by pulling the head away from the shaft and twisting it. It boasts a powerful blow speed of 120 miles per hour and operates on the same battery that is compatible with over 75 tools in the PowerShare family, including 20-volt, 40-volt, and 80-volt models. The innovative push-button spool system ensures on-demand line delivery without the hassle of bumping or auto-feed timers. Additionally, the head pivots 90 degrees, making it easier to access hard-to-reach areas around shrubs and sloped land. The extendable shaft adjusts for taller users and facilitates convenient storage. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Lawn Edger. The BLACK+DECKER corded electric grass edger is a versatile tool designed for creating sharp borders along driveways, sidewalks, patios, and hardscapes. Weighing 14.05 pounds, it features a cutting width of 7.5 inches and is powered by a robust 12-amp electric motor, making it capable of tackling tough overgrowth and digging neat trenches for various applications, including cable, wire, irrigation lines, garden beds, and fencing installation. This edger allows for clean edging results, providing precise edges along grass and hard surfaces for a polished yard appearance. Additionally, it offers quick conversion between edging and trenching modes, delivering 2-in-1 functionality for enhanced efficiency in yard maintenance. Number 3. Greenworks 24V String Trimmer. The Greenworks 24V String Trimmer is a battery-powered gardening tool designed for efficiency and ease of use. Weighing just 8.82 pounds, it features a 12-inch cutting width and provides 20% more power along with 35% more runtime, making it effective for tackling tough grass and weeds. The trimmer operates with a 24-volt battery that is compatible with over 100 indoor and outdoor products. The package includes a 24-inch cordless string trimmer and edger, a 24-volt 2.0 amp-hour battery, a battery charger, a spool assembly, and an owner's manual. With a no-load speed of 8,000 to 9,000 RPM, the string trimmer operates efficiently within a temperature range of 6.8 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a close 0-65 line with an auto-feed head for easy line advancement, a 90-degree rotating head with an edging wheel, and a 3-position pivoting head that allows for trimming at various angles. Additionally, the telescoping shaft can be adjusted to accommodate the user's height and posture. Number 4. Worx 12-amp 7.5-inch Lawn Edger. The Worx corded electric tool features a powerful 12-amp motor that drives a 7.5-inch blade at an impressive speed of 4,700 revolutions per minute, allowing for professional quality lines and edges. It offers 3 depth adjustments, enabling users to cut at 1 inch, 1¼ inches, or 1½ inches, based on their specific tasks. The cutting line indicator helps maintain precision during use, ensuring straight and accurate cuts. Additionally, the adjustable shaft and degrip handle cater to users of varying heights, promoting comfort and ease of operation. Worx is committed to engineering tools with advanced technology and efficiency, allowing you to build a durable and cost-effective tool collection designed to last. Number 5. Husqvarna 122 LKE Gas Edger. The Husqvarna 122 LKE Gas Lawn and Yard Edger is a powerful gas-powered tool designed for efficient lawn care, featuring a striking orange color and a lightweight build of 13.62 pounds. With a cutting width of 2.5 inches, it provides clean and precise edging for your lawn. The edger is equipped with a large 6-inch adjustable wheel that ensures smooth operation, while its ergonomic curved shaft enhances balance and reduces fatigue during use, making it an excellent gift idea for men. Additionally, this versatile tool is attachment capable, allowing users to easily switch out the detachable shaft for various click-on tools and attachments, such as hedge trimmers and pole saws, sold separately, making it a thoughtful choice for Father's Day gifts. The Husqvarna 122 LKE also features Smart Start technology, ensuring quick and effortless starting with minimal effort, making it a practical addition to any lawn care routine.